Alright guys, I'm at this job. One thing about these custom homes, you're working in steps. So anyways, I did this about 3 years ago. It was temporary, as you see, it's still temporary. The way it's all wired up and everything. It's doing all these loops, just so they have heat in the house for the winter. I'm gonna be installing the new boiler, it's IBC. It's the same exact one, 400,000 BTUs. And I'm building this bracket, this holder for the boiler. Just like I did here. And I use this Unistrut system for a lot of things. Refrigeration, platforms, hanging up units of all sorts, and I use it for holding boilers up when you can't mount them on the wall and whatnot. So if you can't mount something on the wall and you're suspending stuff in the air, this is what I use. It's pretty neat. I'll show you how it works. So my boiler is about 28 inches. I made my overall 29. I did this side already, so you could buy these feet and cross beam. You get these 90 brackets for reinforcement. I got my overall length of the boiler, and this is how it works. You have these bolts and the bracket. So I cut my piece here. This is my piece I'm going to be mounting here. I'm going to put a L bracket on that end, the L bracket on this end here. The only tricky thing sometimes is you gotta think ahead and you gotta put the L bracket on one side, because on the other side you might not get the bolt. So if you're going vertical this way, you won't be able to put this bolt in if this bolt here is in. So saying that, I'm going to put my L on this piece here first, then screw this in here. You'll see what I'm talking about. So as you see, all these do is, this one I could just put in like this, and just push down. Put it in, just like that. I'm gonna put the longer side on the vertical. I'm gonna put this here, like so. So you do is put it in. Just gonna put a hand tight. Bring it to the edge. I'm gonna put the other one on the other side. Again, one side's longer than the other. I'm gonna put the longer side on the vertical. So, let me put this in here. You can always move them. Now you got to compensate for the Unistrut. So just gonna bring it in a little bit more, right around there. One side the Unistrut, and the other side's going flush against there. Just like that. So as you see, one's gonna be sitting here, and one's gonna be like that there. So again, I'm going to rest on this. I'm gonna put another spring mechanism in here, screw it in, and you'll see what I was talking about. How the bolt will get in the way. We're ready to put that one in. Again, don't kill yourself to line it up. Just put it in. Just go as the best computer. As long as your bolt is in. So if you look carefully, this bolt won't clear this bolt. So that's why I say you have to be aware. You have to do this bolt first, and this bolt. So that's in there, resting on here, nice and reinforced. This is resting here on this one. Do I have the spring there? No, I don't have the spring. So I'll put the spring there. This is sitting here now. And as you see, the distance here, overall distance, is 20 inches. And the boiler is 18. Got a little overhang that I got there. So I'm gonna tighten all these up. It would be easier with a automatic ratchet with a socket on it, but this is what I had here, so this is what I'm using. That's in place. So now what I want to do is I want to cross beam this just for added support, not just have it open here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a measurement, make up a piece, and put one here. Alright guys, so I made my piece on my measurement. I'm using these corner reinforcements. So I got my two here, my one here, and I have it like that. It's going to be resting on there, and I'll be resting on there. Once it's bolted, it'll be nice and strong. So I'm going to put my spring in it. Roughly judge where it's going to be. So, there you have it. The boiler comes, it's ready, nice and strong. Put it on top, just like this one here. It's gonna be tied into that same loop for the whole manifold system, global warming and snow melt, including domestic water. Just got my tanks in now. I'm gonna wait for the plumber, I'm gonna talk to him, see where he wants these situated. He could tie into them, and I'll tie into them with my stuff. What I did on this side is just for extra reinforcement. I just added a little piece here, just cut it, just put a little piece here, and I'll do the same thing here. As you see, I already put the spring in. Just gonna put a piece there, just even added security, so nothing moves. So again, guys, instead of making a wooden shelf or wooden holder or wooden bracket or welding things up, you use Unistrut. I use it for everything. Refrigeration brackets, suspending units in the air, boiler mounts, everything. Nice and strong. You got feet you could add. And once you have the main 90s reinforcing corners, pretty much all you need. Alright guys, there she is. So hopefully it helps somebody out. If they need something held up, any appliance, any boiler, any refrigeration unit, this might save you some time or money. Build it yourself. They're awesome. They hold a lot of weight. Hopefully you enjoyed. See you in the next one.